What is the best sweet potato type for diabetes? According to research published on PubMed, the worst type of sweet potato is the white sweet potato, which can raise the blood sugar level in some individuals beyond healthy levels. While all types of sweet potatoes can be part of a diabetic diet in small quantities or moderation, some varieties may be more beneficial than others due to their low glycemic index or GI and nutrient content. Here's a breakdown of 2 good options. Some of them have lots of antioxidants, which are beneficial for health. Purple sweet potatoes. These have a lower glycemic load or GL than orange sweet potatoes, meaning they cause a smaller spike in blood sugar. They are also rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that may improve insulin resistance. A medium purple sweet potato has about 24 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fibre. Orange sweet potato. This classic type is a good source of fibre and beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. A medium orange sweet potato has about 26 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fibre. Cooking methods can affect the GI of orange sweet potatoes. Boiling or steaming results in a lower GI than baking or roasting. Disclaimer: consult your healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication or lifestyle. Sweet potatoes can vary in their carbohydrate content depending on factors like variety, size, and cooking method. Here's a general idea of the carbohydrate content in different types of sweet potatoes per 100 grams. Orange sweet potatoes. These are the most common type and typically have around 20 to 25 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams when cooked. Purple sweet potatoes. These varieties often have a similar carbohydrate content to orange sweet potatoes, around 20 to 25 grams per 100 grams when cooked. White sweet potatoes. These may have slightly fewer carbohydrates compared to orange or purple sweet potatoes, averaging around 18 to 22 grams per 100 grams when cooked. Japanese sweet potatoes, satsumimo. These tend to have a slightly lower carbohydrate content, averaging around 17 to 20 grams per 100 grams when cooked. Remember, these values are approximate. Here are some general tips for incorporating sweet potatoes into a diabetic diet. Eat them in moderation. Stick to a serving size of 1 small or medium sweet potato. Check your blood sugar levels 2 hours after meal to see the results, as individual blood sugar results can vary. Pair them with protein, extra fiber-rich foods like leafy greens and healthy fats. This helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Be mindful of cooking methods. Boiling or steaming is best for keeping the GI low. Most frying methods including air frying can make high blood glucose levels. Baking and roasting can be unhealthy for diabetes according to the latest research. You can boil first and then stir-fry in a healthy oil if you need the oily taste. Link to the research article on cooking method and blood sugar level of 10 sweet potato types is in the description of video. White sweet potatoes. They are the most common type found in shops. They are high in GI and should be avoided if you have diabetes. Orange sweet potatoes. Orange sweet potatoes have a lower GI and high fiber content. They are a more healthy option for those with diabetes. Purple sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic load than orange sweet potatoes. But they are hard to find. They contain anthocyanins, which give them their violet color. Research has shown that anthocyanins may help prevent and treat type 2 diabetes by improving insulin resistance. Japanese sweet potatoes. Some varieties of Japanese sweet potatoes, called white sweet potatoes, seem to be the best of the lot. They contain a compound called kyapo. Some research shows kyapo can reduce HbA1c levels and after-meal blood glucose levels. They are popular in Japanese Blue Zone where people live long life. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. Up above you see a video related to health. Thanks very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.